And this one? Very good.
5 weeks.
Good job, both of you. Okay, name is your turn. Give me 2 rupees. Give me 2 rupees. Very good. Good job. Now it's Suzanne's turn. Suzanne, give me 5 rupees. Very good. Which one is this?
1 rupees.
And which one is this?
5 rupees. 2 rupees.
Okay, Khatija, it's your turn. Tell me which coin is this?
1, 2.
Very nice. How many rupees? Very good. Now that turn. Yes, how many? Wow, very nice, Suzanne. कौन सा था ये?
5.
Very good. Okay, Khatija, your turn. Very nice. Very
So
good.
Kashmi, let's find out 5.
Okay,
5.
good. Okay, Khatija, find 2. Very good. Okay, Khatija, make 8 rupees with 1 rupees coin. Good. Okay, Kashmi, you have to make 5 rupees with using 1 and 2 rupees coin.
5.
Very good. Now you have to make 12 rupees with using all of 3 coins. 1, 2 and 5. Okay. 5.
7,
Hmm.
9,
Yes.
11,